Hi guys, Smile Riley here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm doing something a bit different. Instead of flying a plane, I'm driving a truck. I just downloaded Euro Truck Simulator 2. And today, I'm going to be driving a truck. I get myself loads of money with a mod. So I've got myself a good truck. I've got A380 seats in the back of our trailer, and we're going to Le Mans, France. We are leaving from London, so without further ado, I think we should jump straight into it. So I put my wheel up my desk, and I just started driving. You know, I've set up the controls. If you want to see more weird videos like this on the channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. So I have no clue how to drive, let alone how to drive a truck. I think we're in a DAF. Yeah, we're in a DAF. Don't know what DAF. A DAF with cameras for mirrors. But we're leaving from London. We're going to Le Mans. Excuse me, what have I done here? In France, Le Mans in France. So we have 5 hours left to do it. And I've went to sleep just so it'd be daytime for the video. But now we do not have long left. We have 8 hours in our journey, and we only have 5 hours to get there. This is going to be a terrible journey. If you want to see some messing around, then you got the right video. This is not going to be a serious trucking journey. Trucking journey. Yeah, who cares about red lights? Like, honestly, why did I stop at that red light? I do have a room tour video coming soon. Make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm thinking of doing a room tour video yearly, whenever you see how you feel about that. Yeah, we are though. We're in our lovely truck, driving in the middle of the road, because who cares? If you like this video and you want to see more trucking videos like this on the channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. But here we are. We're just driving along, you know. We have 8 hours left in our journey. But here we are. Oh, we meant to turn by it. Well, so nothing happened there, you know. We only flipped over. Like, it's not that big of a deal, you know. It's not like we destroyed the entire truck or anything. I just had a little tow back, you know. But here we are, back on the road we were just on. Like I was saying before, our truck rudely interrupted and decided to tip over. I can do an online video, but I will need a lot more experience. I've gone the wrong way around the roundabout. It's fine. We only have 8 bus A380 seats. It's not like even it's a 747 or anything. You know? Who cares about traffic lights? We don't even need to indicate. Yes, there we go. Around the corner. Yeah, we can do online videos on this game, but I'm gonna need a lot more experience to do the videos. So let me know if you want to see more, and I can do it. I'll do anything. Any games? Any ideas? I still need to do a 10k special video. Any ideas for that? Let me know in the comments down below. Here we are. This is where we tip though. We are currently speeding, but that's so fine. Don't tip again. Oh, lovely. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Because let me tell you something. It's gonna be an insane ride. Excuse me. You scared the life out of me, mate. Don't do that again. So we're a couple of minutes down the road, just singing a little tune in my head, and this stupid green trucker gave me a heart attack. I thought he was gonna fly into me then. God, some drivers, eh? Is this a fuel station? Oh my god, I need some food. Yes, food. Let's go get some food. Nothing like stopping at a fuel station on a long journey. How do you get in? Oh, let's park up by here then. I'm gonna go get some food. I'll speak to you when I get some food. Ah, yes. I've got a sandwich. I'm gonna be eating on the journey. A bottle of water. I don't say bottle of water. I'm from Britain, UK, but I don't say bottle of water. I'm from Wales. You might be able to tell by the accent. But yeah, I'll be eating my sandwich along on the journey, like, you know how it is. You know? Take me home to the place. I think the boredom is starting to kick in now. It's just me and my truck. Country roads! I'm a professional singer, guys. Professional, I tell you. Do do do. Just me and my truck. No one else. No one else. Just me and my truck. I drove my truck a couple minutes down the road and I looked at my map and there's a weird symbol somewhere. I don't know what's happening. Wait. Oh, we're going to France, aren't we? So we're gonna need to cross, what's it, the English Channel. I'm not good with geography, guys. I'm absolutely terrible. Which one am I going in? Is it? I don't know. Oh no. I'm going in this one. Yeah, it's near the English Channel. I'm going on the train. Let's go. A truck. Oh! Since when is there another bus trailer? You must be going to the same place. There I am. Lovely. Let's park up. Well, we can only go there 35 minutes. 300 euros. God, where did I get that from? 300. 300 euros, but very expensive. Oh, it's almost night time. What's our light bar? Oh, there is. Off the train. Oh. Traverse. Where's our A-bus man gone? Our fellow A-bus truck driver. Where's he gone? Being serious. I'm left on my own. I had a friend then. It's not even funny. My only friend has left me. Wherever am I gonna do? Ah, drive a truck for the rest of my days. Country roads. Wait, what? I just looked at my map and straight ahead is a dead end. Do I have to go around you? Oh no. Oh no. Reverse. Reverse. How the heck am I gonna do this? It's my first day on the job and you're making me do some U-turns and stuff. You made me get a train first of all. Now I need to do U-turns coming off the train. I'm about to fall on the train tracks. Oh no. At least... No! No, 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 what happened? Ah! Drive. Full power! Have we done it yet? Are we through? Hey! Country road. Oh, we're turning here. Lovely. Wait. Oh, yeah. We're driving on a different side of the road now. We're in France. They really gave me a hard job for the first day, didn't they? Look at this sunset, guys. Oh my god. It's a good life being a truck driver. I'm not flying through the skies. I get stuck on stupid little walls. What? I think if Ryanair was a truck driver, it would be me. No offense to Ryanair or anything. Whatever do we have here? Is it a toll? I'm not stopping. Oh, there's a barrier! So... There's a barrier there? I didn't even see that. Okay. If you've seen that I've got 2.3 million or whatever. What are you doing, you stupid little... Right. You lot, that car and that Iveco are so stupid. They don't know how to drive. They never will know how to drive. That's... Oh my god, nope. As I was saying, if you've seen the 2.3 million in my bank, or whatever it is, I don't know, don't care. I might have told you earlier, I forgot. It's a mod. That's why... Oh, it's another account or something. I don't really know. That's why you can see on the map that a lot of the roads have been discovered. That's why, yeah. But this is like my second time playing. It's another account or something. So yeah. That's why I've got so much money and all the roads have been discovered. So yeah. Ooh, police car. Love to see it. Oh, nothing wrong, yes sir. You might want to pull over the truck in front of me though. You just cut me off. Truck drivers these days. My god. Take me home. We have a roadblock. Just turn around. By sure. Aye, stop fixing the roads and open them. We have some place to be by. Come on, lads. Come on, hurry up with this. Want to see you done by tomorrow. Thank you. Do. Country road. Life is a highway. And I'm gonna ride it all night long. Did I just spot another neighbor's trailer? Full throttle, please. Full throttle. Speed. Power. I need to catch up to this A-bus driver. There he is. He's right there. Full beams. Power. Come on. Ignore the crash. Just it with me. It with me. I didn't do it. Okay. It was lag. I blame the lag. Because I am the best truck driver. Brrr. I need to catch up to this A-bus driver. Look, he's right there. Mo, what's happened? Yeah. Well, we're caught up to the A-bus driver, but what? Oh. I think his car might have broke down or something. Or something. Really can't speak today. It's been a long day. Been driving my truck. Life is a highway. Are we turning by here? Oh, we're turning. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a sharp turn. Are we still turning? Oh my god. Ah! God, the trailer's got a mind of her own. We just driving my truck. Gosh, these lanes are so skinny. Don't tell me there's another toll. Right. I've had one of you already. I remember to brake this time. Remember to brake. €59 coming your way. They must make a load of money. A load of money. Here we are. 3 hours and 18 minutes left. And we have 0 minutes remaining. That's fine, you know. The A-bus seats slightly damaged. But you know, it's an A-bus. It's an A380. It's not like it's going on a 747 or anything. Because if it was, those seats would be in tip-top condition. But they're going on A380, so it doesn't matter. No one really wants the A380 anyway. At least the 747 had a lot of people when, you know, it was around properly. We're going for the overtake. Imagine being a bus. Couldn't be me. More roadworks. I told you guys, hurry up. Come on. Job. Stupid roadworks. Turn. Another toll. What the heck? This is my third one. It's not even funny anymore. Slow. I've had enough of these tolls. Forgot we were still driving then. God. Dreaming of my bed. Can't wait to get there. Le Mans this way. Let's go to Le Mans. Around the bend. It's happened again. We're currently getting towed to, I don't know. Yeah, we got towed We're gonna carry on our journey like nothing ever happened. Are we in Le Mans now? Excuse me. We have 5 minutes. Go on. Yeah, 5 minutes. So what have we done on this journey? We flipped twice. We crashed into some cars. We've driven on the wrong side of the road. We've gone the wrong way around a roundabout. We've been on a train. We've crashed into some walls. But most importantly, we've had some fun. You know, that's what matters. I'm a truck driver, alright. Carry on going into Le Mans. 1 minute remaining. I'm gonna have to think of an apology, aren't I? Get my window down ready. Is this it? Is this where we're going? Mate. Sorry, your delivery's like 10 hours late. That's my bad. Just some traffic, that's all. Traffic's been absolutely terrible. Oh. Let's finish the job. Let's finish the job. I was late. Took me 28 hours because I fell asleep twice before I was recording. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it and you want to see more videos like this on the channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a like and turn notifications so you never miss another video. That's been me, Smiley Riley, playing Euro Truck Simulator 2. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!